Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix PayPal not receiving money. First, always confirm the sender completed their transaction successfully. It is crucial to verify the exact email address used for payment matches your PayPal account's registered email. Also, check your PayPal activity feed for any pending or completed transactions. Sometimes, funds simply appear with a slight delay after processing. These initial checks save a lot of time and frustration before moving to more complex steps. Many payments appear as pending for valid reasons. New PayPal accounts sometimes hold initial payments for up to 21 days as a security measure. If the sender used an e-check, the funds will typically take several business days to clear, similar to a traditional bank check. Additionally, payments from international senders can experience slight delays due to currency conversion rates or varying banking processes. Patience is key here, but understanding why helps manage expectations. Your account status plays a significant role in receiving money. Ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. Unverified accounts may encounter limitations on the amount or type of payments they can receive. If you have reached a receive limit, funds might be held or even returned to the sender. Regularly check your account settings for any pending identity verification steps or required information to prevent these issues from arising. Occasionally, payments are rejected outright. This can happen if your account has unexpected restrictions or has triggered security flags. If the payment was sent to an incorrect email address, the sender will likely need to cancel the original transaction and then resend it to your correct one. Always communicate with the sender to confirm all payment details, including the method used and the exact recipient information, to quickly identify and resolve any discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.